a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. No suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill me.
Hey guys, good morning, good morning. So it's another week, it's another wig. The wig that I have on right now, I gotta get it right because this is not how my wigs look. The hair actually looks really good. The lace look good. I did bleach the knots, but I didn't really pluck it. I plucked it a little bit, but lately I just like to pluck on my head a little bit more. So this is from Nadula Hair. This is your box that you'll get. You'll also get some lashes, a wig band, a stocking cap, you know. And you also get, oh my gosh, okay, Nadula. Nadula is stepping it up. I am here for it. I've worked with Nadula a lot. So they do have like these little thin stocking caps, which I really like. They also have some lace tape and a Nadula melt band. And also a robe. This is nice. You know what? I'm going to put on this robe because why not? Okay, so now we have on our Nadula robe. I love these when these companies send over these type of robes because it's really cute to do your hair review using their robe. It's super cute. So anywho, the wig is on my head, you guys. This is, I believe this is a 13 by 4 because it's not a lot of lace. Yeah, it's like a 13 by 4. And then it's like a little bit of lace on the side. So just like an inch or two on the side, but a 13 by 4 in the middle. But you guys know I love a flip over method, so that does not bother me. But if you do want to part your hair in so many different ways, you might want to, you know, make sure that you can do like a curved part if you want, but I'm just gonna do my little normal one too. I'm gonna just go around my hairline and pluck so it don't have that bulky look. You want to be careful as well because you don't want to pull, like, do a bald spot. This takes practice, you guys. But this is what I do. I just pull it back. Because I like to wear my hair, like, in a bun and stuff. So when you want to wear your hair in, like, a low bun and that very sleek look, you have to make sure your hairline is plucked really good. So that's what I do. I go all the way around till I'm satisfied. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to do this for the next probably 10 minutes. Just plucking the hairline, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next step. But we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere, y'all. Okay, you guys. So we did pluck some of the unit. I still will be plucking a lot more. But I'm going to go ahead and glue the unit on. And then we'll pluck more once we glue the unit on. Today I'm going to be using my Erica J glue that I always use. I'm going to put some on the back of something that I don't care about. I want to keep this on for about 4 days to a week. So I'm going to use 2 layers of glue because this need to be on because I got a lot of things going on. And y'all, me, if I don't have my hair done, I don't want to go out to eat. I just can't. You know how some people only get their hair done when they have something going on? No, me, I like to keep my hair done, my nails done. Don't get me wrong. It's some days that I be like, I don't have my hair done. It's some weeks. Like, I don't went a week without having my hair done. And I don't know. I don't like that feeling. I feel like I love to look put together. When I look good, I feel good. This look is going to just be like my regular signature look. It's a little shorter than my last body wave unit that I had on, which is cool because it's super hot. And I love body wave because I can wear it in so many different styles. I can clip it up. I can wear it as a pin up. I can slick it back and wear it as a bun. When I go on vacation, I always like grab for a body wave unit because I feel like it's super versatile. Definitely when the lace is good, girl, you could just do everything. Everything to your hair. You can straighten it, wave it, curl it. It's just my favorite texture of hair. It's a nice body wave. Y'all know body wave is like my signature look. I wear it all the time. Yeah, I have the fan on in my room and this glue is drying so quick. So quick. But it's time to glue it on. Push it on. I'm gonna hold it like this. You want it to like melt, and I know it looks like it's kind of up a little farther than I normally have it. That's because I haven't really plucked it how I'm gonna pluck it, baby, because the way I'm gonna pluck this unit, it's gonna give scalp. Right up in here, it needs to be thinner. Okay, so I just wanted to come and quickly show you guys one side. So this is the unit, not really hot combed. I barely plucked that side. And this is the unit that's pretty much plucked. I probably will pluck a little bit more, but I hot combed it and put a little wax on it. So I just go in between and just pluck it like this. And you kind of just got to eyeball it to your hairline shape and what you like. And trust me, you can overpluck easy. I always overpluck and be like, dang, I shouldn't have plucked that much. But it's like the ones that I overpluck, I normally like those units a little bit more. So yeah, it's taking me a little longer to pluck the sizes. But like I said, I like to wear my body wave really flat. So plucking is super important to me. Girl, it's been like 45 minutes later. It's enough, Bree. That's enough plucking. So let's go ahead and move on, girl. I'm gonna be late for work and him plucking. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut as close to the hairline as possible, because y'all know me. I don't like a lot of lace showing, baby. When the lace is showing, it gotta go. What is going on? So I had to cut a little bit of the hair, but it's okay. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, lace is like laying. It's laying. So I go in between with the scissors and the blade, because sometimes that blade, girl, you been on cut so much of the lace off. I need to like see what I'm doing. The blade be blading sometimes, girl. By the time you're done, your wig is messed up because you don't cut so much of the lace off. Yeah, you want to cut majority all the lace off, but you also want to have more control. And I feel like the scissors give me more control. So, but I also love going in between with the blade too. So, I go between both of them. Because one thing about the blade, it's going to make it look real messy. And that's what we be wanting, that little messy look. I always like my lace better on one side. Like, I love this side. This side is cute. But this side is like doing what it needs to do. Like a lot of lace. I keep a little bit of lace, y'all. But I'm not a lacy girl. Get it off as much as possible. I even take my eyebrow archer and kind of file some of the lace down. I learned this from my homegirl who do hair. She told me to file some of the lace down like shed it down. That's a trick. I can't really explain what she mean, but this is kind of like making the lace look a little thinner. You want to be careful, girl, because you don't want to cut yourself. Yeah, I be wanting my lace to look as flawless as possible. Okay, you guys, so all I did with this unit was to put the Wonder Lace Bond melting spray. I put it all over the unit. Now I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair up with this band for about 5 minutes, just to let the lace melt a little bit more, because as you can see, it's melted, but girl, I be liking mine to be super melted. Here, this is the melting band. I love this like nude aesthetic. It's so cute. So I'm gonna like, this is very crucial. The first time you melt your hair, I use like of course it comes with like the Velcro, but me, I like to like tie it in a knot just so it can melt really good. I keep this on for about, oh, this is so tight. I keep this on for about 3 minutes. Okay, guys, it's been about 2 to 3 minutes. I gotta take it off. Oh yeah, that look good. Let me fix my makeup a little bit with my makeup brush, because all of my makeup is off my forehead. But yeah, that is pretty melted. So we'll finish this up later, y'all. I gotta go to work. We'll finish it up later, but it's on really tight. It looks flawless. Flawless. Okay, guys, it's actually a few days later. I had a long weekend, so we finally are gonna style this unit from Nadula Hair. So far, although I haven't styled this unit, I've been getting a lot of compliments on the lace. The lace just looks so good. So what I'm gonna do is just add some curls. I'm gonna just add some loose curls, nothing too major. It's like when I curl my body wave one time, girl, I never like really curl it again. Well, I curl it again, but not like that. But this is a body wave unit. I'm using this curling iron by Remington, and I really like it. Makes my life a lot easier. But look at that hairline, y'all. It looks so good. And this is like a 13x4, like I told y'all, but the cool thing about it just looks so good. The lace looks so good to me. So I'm gonna do this all the way around. Y'all saw me curl my hair a million times before. The curls don't have to be perfect. If y'all don't know how to curl and you like me, like I just cannot curl, but I can like curl using this. Like I can curl using this. Let me do that one again. Like this makes my life a lot easier, because it's kind of like a one flat iron type of curl. Sorry y'all can't see my face right now, but I'm left-handed, so boom, that's a pretty girl. Jet black hair, nice soft baby curls, girl. So cute. So tea. I like this length of hair. It's like the older I get, I don't really like my hair to be long. I like it to be like, this is a nice length. So yeah, I'm gonna do this all the way around, y'all. it takes me like, with these curling irons, it only takes me like 10 minutes to curl my hair. And I use some of the Miracle Shine spray on my hair to get that nice shine to it, but don't make it look greasy and weigh it down. So I really like that. And this goes up to 410, which is hot enough for me, because I don't need to like be cooking my hair. I just need to curl it a little bit, period. The face is beat today, y'all. The face is a beat. So yeah, let me finish doing this all the way around, and we'll see how it looks when it's done. You can style this with a part down the middle or a flip over method. If you do a part on the side, like I said, it's not like a lot of side parting. You'll have to just do like a really deep curve part, which is really cute. The girls be looking so cute doing it. All right, you guys, so I just did some really like messy curls. They don't have to be super neat because I don't like my hair to be super curled. So I'm gonna just pull these curls out. You can use your finger or a comb. Perfect. Because y'all know me, I don't like my hair to be super curly. I gotta fix my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. It's a little too curly at the ends, but hopefully it falls a little bit. Okay, so y'all know what else is next. We got to cut some layers in it because it's not gonna lay how I want it to lay. Ooh, I need a fresh eyebrow or something a little bit. Just so the hair can frame my face. Okay, you guys, so I just put on some earrings because I'm about to get dressed. These earrings are from my company, My Hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed. But this is my hair. I love it. It's so like glam. It's so pretty. So make sure you guys check out Nadula Hair. I'll leave all the links to everything down below. And let me go ahead and get dressed so I can go ahead and start my day. Bye, guys. Yes, I love me a nice body wave unit. Bye.